Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution. Friends, today I'm gonna show you that how to hide friend list on Facebook, or you can say how to make public or private friend list on Facebook by using mobile or computer. Some of us, we don't want to show our friend list to the world, so this settings is for them. To know the settings, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. First, I'll show you the settings from mobile. So for this, you have to log in your Facebook on your mobile. Then you will get an interface like this, and you can see at the top right corner 3 straight line. You have to click on here. Then you have to scroll down and you have to click on settings and privacy. Then from here, simply you have to click on settings and see here is account settings, security and privacy, right? So from privacy, you have to click on privacy settings, and you will get your option from here, how people can find and contact you. You have to scroll down and see, has written who can see your friend list, right? Now it is public, right? So to change it, you have to click on here. Then you have to click on see more and see, here is public, friends accept specific friends, only me, right? Now if you want no one can see your friend list without you, then you can select only me. So click on here, then go back and see who can see your friend list, only me, right? So like this you can control your friend list of Facebook on your mobile.